me adom ade adom aso mesi no because we need the foundation of adom no.
Yeah.
But me hu adom ne say adom ne ye. Enti say nyame wa adom a wo de adom aso mesi ne dia. Mesere se fa bia dai. Edom me. But any ne say. Na my I will misinterpret me ankasa me nyoma bi a me ye enti obi so when you ho ye odi bi it ade ketua bi na ye no then it gives a black paint all over we meeting now.
All right. So Odifuacha nana me ba also say the always read in some wo Odifuacha Paul say mo hwe me enhia me
said the hwe Kristo sua
na esi dai e na obi tunwuma yesi wa beka asempa no wato nwum na hwi enti ne entie nwum na wato no na emom no no nkasa ne suba de yemfa nto nchen
ade ba ko wase hye no so ne say once ye honam edie ya efum so ro
mba chon microphone ni me wo kakra mami
once ye honam mufo de ye nipa ye wo honam mu ne de edie ya mfum so de betimi aba if is all kind Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 20 so what tin ni bi na ni asase we see so ye papa no wanye boni enka ho
okay
edie ya ye ni pay ya odie e wo ho because obi be fun obeti pay no before so the be che no just akoma na yere akoto answer so na adwum tuei a ye to say ye de ma ye to ma urade ana say yame adwuma ye there very important a ma yetim hwiase e wo nyame mu ye 1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 10 wose bone nyina hini eni sikape a ebinim di akire de yaw e wo edi se ade bia wo ye bia na se wanhwe yiye na wo ma sika no edi wanim kan a eno na de nsem no eba ena de bufu yawdie ena de wo hawo ne problems ne yedai eba because of ade na wo ye no adwen no ensi nyame asem so ne mom yedai ejina sika asem so edi se bible si dua na ba no ena yedi be hunu dua kro na dua pa biala no eso ababa ena dua bone so ababone enti dua na ba no ne yedi be hunu abakro edi se ade bi efiri nyame no efiri nyame ebegina efiri nyame so a
okay ansana obaba let you so mama ka dey great I want say anyumtofo a ewo even pra Germany ha say meka Ghana fo
yeah
yem be say won say dodo say nani mom dodo say na o man kra na o meti o mo ase
okay
so asofo Germany ha say asofo dodo say na invite o man kasa ada asofo to o man so say any program mbom I dream be tell of so free Ghana no never because of never be just come we on no be call what me fast man ko Ghana ho
but
so for me free had there
members
na church say sister Ophelia to him say anam so nyam tunia say mo say email dia to post aso a Ophelia na eba no be no transcend the petroleum chain enti oni ne yakunu tuni na aba o twen ya hwen say Ophelia be hye
ni
be wase o twen wi a o na say we dey we ya dey cry chain so what is the motive about competition
from onset in Ankasa there is a competition motive
enti see be kan ho bom no eni ho enti obia wo na adwen a odinam ye enti mi ka say bia obia ye obia dey but ye obi no so o ma ye o ma dwen say ade no I'm doing it and I'm doing it wholeheartedly for God
okay
but do one na kwese ye dey adwen nam because me do ba bia o say ni pe na hu me enti so sister Ophelia koto e bia e flat there and em so me kwa be pagin sharp me kwa kwatene me nim a modulate me ade am obi on say me no kra me high pitches
a chain
what I say I don't know how baby now to one tree I feel like obia I say I don't know if I'm doing for God maybe he may never go as you I didn't can be harmful what were you looking for the attention of man and how you pleasing the partner and when you go as now how you man aka binya sa feel ti sa ho ya no is there within the Christendom is there enti yen na no ane wo ma yeso de beto to nwom ne ade ayehu yen no ti eno abi ne ntwe de fifi
nana page microphone ni mu na embe wa no ma me ne fire ene anwuntufo yi a ye kan o de tutu Reverend Stanyamiche mu de no o feel say na eye fame ntipa na wo mo to nwom no se de ne namafo de iti
piki me de mesre ma me clear
yes, it's Ophelia Casa.
What's all clear you ha?
And man,
Let me take credit to you. Okay, as I read
not all cars in me say the facts of your gospel signal or whatever does not mean say of a certain as near the end of the one any. But in the agony, or divorce tattoos is here, but yes, sure say. But you are sorry them not be doing because you are somebody in a better you obey Jaws be doing women some one a cock Christianity. Me yes, sure, sir. Or say now, cause ye nipa. Or yeah, she say Ghana, any how crown, I saw for no more only between 34-45 going. Only now, coach him. Only yet training by yet training. I only have to judge. Or run was here, one most of my bob put Jimmy a milk poo and pansel or travel.
Now, as I came, what really cool chacha to two obiti say Duncan Williams.
On say a human your woman obia be a teachers. What do you say? Obi say your papa Otabel Musi, they are teachers. They are not prophets. They be a preachers. A be a one obia on the baby or no the
ministry, yeah. But it's not so just say different no more for some Jim.
Me obia ya adwene saa brewi yo ntufi se pike Yesu Kristo saa ba bie mu a ka ye wo na tikoti se de na ye wo no bese mi emfa ompini o era na sesa you see masa ewia sesa
no cre ewia se
and emfa tablet emfa bible ngwa so bi mu e wo tablet so
na ti ewia se sesa banyame asem sesa
o se asem no de etowoda asem no etowoda
enti asem na eye da no asem no eye na asem be ye chena so asem eno so na ye gina so dia bobra
pike ene na asori bia na omun na nya announcement se wo a wo ba bia fa bible bra sorry memfa tablet ma memfa hwema
no cre se o de penna mo bibia o de tablet ba wo mpam o de bible ba wo mpam but nimi enu no doing na to me wo
on se ena me ka se ya nhwe ya asemwe efa ba wi ka se yesisi e wo Sunday school from yon collabri because you see wa kondie ene o bible yeswa ye be ka stories bebre na akola ne ko na ye chesi no yi ni bible eno mu hu no mu jai no se o we nya misumni o ti ase nti nenu je se no bible de ja to unu obi ka so on the telephone so no dia bet na sorry there no find the tablet no dia baba bet na sorry
ba eye
media de matna fia criticize na ya oni me se me gina sa me gina platform so kadabia se me no obi anya adwene se o de tablet ana se yi be kwa sorry dem so eso na o bible me ma famu de no because enwom ne di gu edan ho se on e wo projector so my what to be a well I understand that but anyone Christians of today are very lazy but me ko adwuma bi na se became me yi ahomache na se mpese me kenkan bi na se on my phone so dia well I'm welcome so emu no bi di ko send the message ene bi akohu na wa so be reply adwina sa yi free sermon no na yi na mo ye ni nyina so you see until etwa kosi se ya bedru era bia untimi ntinasi di se nyame be bo me ho ban
na hwana be bo ho
bambo nyame tio e was so physical e we wa di e ka ho
of course
na wa ye nyame side ne di aka ho you see entu mi na so wa ye sofo am Robert se o ma twese kan watiem Awurade jime but akwa no gina ho no utumu se ka obetuma punch ne pa ma na to ho a e bia nka obetuma dede ho o se esan se me ye sofo ntini me to me nsa na ode se kan bi otimi dia wo wadusu nkunu no oku fa ba bi meka se aka one kakra
no cre enya ne sa ho se wo ye kristoni na obi di sika be wo wa wo ye kristoni ni nti enne na me ne na ka se hwe se obi wo gidi a se bi e se odi nyansa ka ho minim se David na shop ne kunu but no ne yere de Saul eba eneti o se me papa epu wo kunche na na dwi men da fie why no bit maka o gidi chain David but o fie
yeah
enye ne sa ne ye ka no se o gidi nti anase o tunwum anase o ye kristoni nti obi di sika wo wa untimi defend wo untimi defend wo but ye che ne se ade a ense se ke create attention na emma eye tag bi be dawo so no ade nti na untimi ntwe ho mfiri
ike ye nipa ye betimi asesa assembly asoa obi ase ne sipe no nipa say ye short time o say obi be bre obi bi ho bet e beduru ba bi e wo say nyame be pagya no na obi di 2 words bi pe ababa be hwete ne bibia
Enti wo expect say ni pastor no hu se wo enam so ena wase ni career na bibia onfa nche ho ana ya koso eni pa de ena me ka say etu ya sofo sisi ya
no correct
de ya so onu so ye nipa but onu gina ho kiro say oh tutu akwan say ye niema say yes we understand they are our leaders etu ye nso a ye de be frɛ ya ba me punishment on yo nga so o nipa ntimu mfa mo no kokko
but Urefi said ye the rape to Joseph so baby ye the rape to no so no ho so na san pija no so ko ho kwan so be ka kire say nyam na mogu mani ma se no me mpem bibia munya me na me nko me baby
ana obia wo baby a nyakopo hira na kodu ena obia wo baby a nyame be fa hira no but obetimi hira wo from ha but unwi adwuma no wa gwagwa wi ni wo baby but obi so wo so otena ha se no wi but enu nyankopon hyehyɛ
okay
sana meme ho no enti se edu hye aha na yedi case to so eni eyi ne sama ministerial appointment wo ho no a nyame pese uwi adwuma no wo
okay
you can move from another station to another station udru ho no na bia umpege mu ano no but baby a watena bia 10 years but udru baby 2 weeks ena wo so upeja ko from the home na 2-3 weeks was we shooting us akọ baby foforo enti enye se wo so wo sha se free baby potin se aha na wo de wo se de ma oh enti me de mechanism oti ho a ye wa fom de try say obe defend ho
enti ye gospel musicians no defense nti na ya mo ko social media ekototo ayampia mo ho na
o se eya na ya na make no se obi ba me ka se we kura meni ne kotu aduro eno ye koto nwum kura no ne mic kura no obi nsombi ono ade na ade ba bia me na me ne wona me mic say oh this is a matinu may be on the way me bo enna me ye a me timi de to nwum a me nya me voice yi enti ena ya mo hwe say oba mic bi ode ba yellow bisa bia na ayi sign bi kura da say Illuminati sign ya kan social media etwade na baba beto say kofiche madwini mu no a metena ho bam se ade we say nokre na magia tu na mezo me kakona ye say kwali ye say konti onye nipa no wie na se ye say ni wie a na se mi na asem ne fa me ho no se mintimi nka ma no ntimo pike mintimi nka ye Christopher de say emra bibi ne yi na wona se court kura na me de ukọ oh because me de kotena say asofo ntena so a wa woni tu e be ka so yenye mane nka ne mu ma se nua ma Christo
okay unim sasa me busa we ya me busa na me busa sister Ophelia odi fu ata de mo question fufu bi ma no Reverend Michael Sebuns do two kojoto ebre bi na wa resembai but said your manager no ne said you will see etu ho anamo no ni din anye se enne enye social media but ewo ebia adwen a wodi tu ho anamo ofo say ye na enne na mafo because of social media nti ye ntu ye bo ase ntu ho anamo ye fiti ya na ye di ko social media for example Joyce Blessing ni ku aware me no me no ebia ka ye nti ebia ya asem kitu abi but for the phone si ni so ayi video asem a ebia ka se ka etu ho anamo kukwam nti ofo say enya anu nti enne ama gospel anyumtofo ye hu ne say da bi obuo bi eni wo ho because the omo ka no enya no mo ye
pike pressure o ebia I don't know ye ntinnie mo bi ase
now you Christian pressure because David so tini na man ye do so
pike yes Christo last minute okasembi osieja senkebeya kamakuru entwa ya manu tumi nyina o ade bi a okade to ho anza okọ nti menu mi ne duru mre bi a ya yi nipa no ye beka bi we die I was say me be sign me ho something but it depends the way you present assembly and adofo e bi a mo hu say assembly na mframom say but me die minimum wo hu say na tie and then bi a be ma no ye wie court case ye wie bibia ya tie ho ase enti me da mu nyina ase mo support me mo yesi very simple but oko chance say the cause of it ni money adena media ni nyanwie o they are not done with you after delay ba be frɛ Abeku Santana be interview. We be you say we be, and then it ends up to a different
And it's not make us say send you one a woman who
you
might
see, yeah, also me also
because one may video and make can be for one.
because enim gwase e yawo. And pressure me say me ntimi sa ne ma no. Me ba be defend me say ya. Me ba out. So far as me ni makumam pa ni mi trim say me ni mo hwe no. Me ntimi nka ma no ntum sa. E be bom yare
Ebe boy yade. Nana. Question me busa ni Reverend Michael Osebunsu. Na where say me ye dija. But minim say anamonto tu ye. Eni ebia na Christo anamonto bi wo tu nti otumi manage ni ye. Yes na social media. But can not TV. Only TV interviews. But sooner tinimunti ena mo otumi manage asem no ema enne ne nwom kra da so powerful.
More than kakra. Bible no krampo akon say obi no mo yakon say rade. And ye papa ye no e jam say about
e just to one
fi. Ye na ye say ye tini said den kra no. No krampo no. Ono rade no entuma bo fi kra man. So issues to say be marriage issues. E be maybe to me enya problem with my worry. Why na better one say because obi anim nana.
Okay.
Sister Ophelia, ebia the entire you no because what the number abonting. Nipa ni jenyo no ho. Eto ahofo akra so. Now she began having followers. Enti enkofo dive into the new. But we should know say Wawariye wasn't recorded in the studio. It was just the music that was recorded in the studio.
Yeah.
I don't know nyame adom wo. Ana adom no so impact no has to reach other people. Enti adom no ho adwuma na woni nipa e wo ho entitamudie. But sebi we say woni wukunu ehye dem. Kwan amofa so a mo ma epi menye sure say mo record no studio. Ana just say mo record no camera so ana mo de beto hobi. Probably waware kwa na bia na enimo. Till say bia bibi ba abonten. So when it comes to issues of a bia ma worry if mistakenly so bi na aba betwa me video na bibi aba beto no ma that didn't come from me. It nipa na ode ba no can self explain sanyo na ode beto woni na. But say bia obe frame na bia e na akokosi and all that no preferably say eno nye music wise no nko ade me prefer say ka me ignore sa asem no
good
na who host and as moderator corner from na if we are talking about my music career and Bibia we can deal with that. But those that are around me, those that are involved as far as their family near they are concerned, who are into the whole thing can sit and discuss this privately. End results nearby any automatically or followers be independent na say bia at the end of the day no and na chain na ya almost separate.
But Cheiso can say eningwase ya as a sort of sign.
I was look at this many issue. I didn't video my wife whilst we were doing that. So if that is example,
yeah,
will be third party and a video here. If not for the third party, now probably you will heated issues one and same to me see. It's between me and Nipan and a woo here. But you were wise enough to record.
Great.
What was the motive behind that? What they permit
Gwase?
It's your friend, and I'm assuming cabin come. Not the also episode, and I'm must have only more information. So yes, you've seen the video. That is your evidence. In today, maybe now say, maybe me who say baby says
great.
And say if you go by the video, follow the video, and do whatever you want to do. But so be saying me ma on can oh, and I mean when any issue now we be try medical crumple raise issue from the scratch.
Great.
And the also any issue be answered and then can delay any day. If you was nigga any day, it will be any day. Omo the issue ni ba be did. Probably e be aka one so na in house. When you want here, e be aka matimi akulusi ala egu here na ka egu. But unya the paper e be omo so sem ba ko ni go be ka no. E be popin no be ama e bia. Na no kwampa ba be gu ade na bia. Abra ke no se egu.
Mami Sambre mu ansa na wato aso. Reverend Esther Nyameche me interview no wo eye Kumasi FM. O say for years o muti o ma sorry. In fact, there was serious problems. Onini kunya problems pa. Is it because they managed to manage a 7 year out of the media? Because enjuma omo ye no, eni eye omo private life no eye total different. Sada necessary ya nyum to phone gospel artist no mu na. Say ejuma me ye ni. Any me ankasa me personal life so you different. Sana say so
Of course, when even those within the secular fraternity no ground, there are most of them are one I want to who issue ground put unless probably a new if Rabontia but I see the piaba.
No correct.
You know, and I can say bia where I went to school and where I've gotten to and no problem. Ebia then I get certificate we man and che. Oko school no anko bi. But one school no so I can pass certificate na man. And you know, certificate no ababe hu. The ma certificate by the you don't know. That is my private idea. It I know you're different. It's the same me come once a man na me the ababe from movie phone because I'm your one. Of one man the score any soundtrack. So obi ba bet na we screen say nim na afi we be phone na de na hu na boy na that's my we be phone timi dwane a. We are picking that which we saw on the screen.
On the screen, yeah.
And it says to feel a platforms na say bia wo tonyom te so obofo. Na say ade na say won say bia wa twese kan de obi achi a. How do you compare the two? Difference. Do you stage no nko? Ana do you wa say so nko? Aha, enti me private life there is my private life. The person about bonten no, eno na mu na mo tie bi no. Any enyom no. Because probably quote unquote I'm being paid for.
Of course.
I'm being paid for you to come and watch me, for you to come and listen to me. Enti me private life there. Encourage man.
Okay.
That is why most of the times why you see say even crowd within our area, that is why a problem say bia obema wukuna na hu bibi grandpa manager and that's why part of the team. Because we get special managers outside so that they are not part of my private
family business, yeah.
To your best customer they be can say what the work how do ko ane dey e say and was say money manager me dey mokoka e mo it is different. Because because of our area na woman idea na akwa say emotions be esa attach idea no e bi akwala akwa woman idea afi as wo kwa perform one one so na manage you wo control so wo portray be many people say oh you okay because you are there to excite them, you are there to entertain them, you are there to fill their spirits up. And to go and make any people what come with you there or then once also start come and take life from now yeah it becomes something else. But so we're outside or marriage there, you know how to handle that.
Yeah. All right, Yeguswa no make I say a Dave Kitchen. Essen Bobek, Omuna a chips in the idea or whom say you were Hanina no. Womuna Omudema, no Masoya Sina, a gospel entertainment show ye a bro memen de Bia, Dave Kitchen, Essen Bobek. Jumedibia would be a fan of Bia, nay, a whom pastry city. You mufrima, a ye, or my cocumutia, some who bopa, a ye, a Biania da, a Dave Kitchen. Wow, and Yankasati Executive African Textile Studio to Madia, Nejusu, a diesel of Hadi open to Madia, baby, Albania be a Executive African Textile, so call man to maybe a Ubia, Ubina, now wait to me, Atobi. Sasuna, unique African Textile, so Ukraimu, or Monoma, and to my Yamfama, a guest of Mubana, Mufabim from African way. Monsana Munya na yihuma ya bomabaso esanse ntwani de anwa de dwudwa styles tade a hyehyehye de wo shops na de witmenya de tese no but wakoto ntwani de dwa wankasa African style de edemfua I mean we say to filia ni lunch e beba so next year African print be dimu akoten na unique African textiles esen I do ban of obisa obia ni mesanse ntuma papa de na dwaso ni ho ntuma bie ni ho kente bie ni ho wo pe bia wunye bi ho udru hon mu nko ade dada oge wo ho ai ne eche kwotwa wisi bebi ube ka bia o chere se ntuma ne wo ho no obodin a won ntuma nketenkete ne ntuma kese akese de nyina ho de bu akutia ne de ko yi ase de ko outdoor ni adia ne nyina obenya bi wo unique African textiles ne ntino na wo de wani a chere ho da ko pebre ne ko hwe ni so ade enu ntina bruni fre bibi window shopping uni sika no nche se wontimi ko hwe ni so ade for ni ko hwe na fo ni bobi tu ho unye sika na wakwa kutubi unique African textiles almost ukrayimu and yedi a gospel entertainment show every and memenda wati nana chika wati royal nana ya onka sister fi
papa
na me ntimi ho ase ye wieni abehwe resolution said you betima manage no na bibie tumi ofo say gospel antofo no mo prem ho ntem ade mo asem batu media sa na asese
yo mi da se ade ne sanya wona wo pre wo
na ho ya
ewi ase no bia wo ne tamfo
ade ne si wo fie na se mi ho esi de na betie
do people around you are even we yanyum tuni a de bia nipa wo won ten every day unu yakra betra wo ten Whilst I want to problem and as a problem as if you know. Offer a friend is saying, handy no the toswa. When you want to assemble no the tour. Bloggers, your wife is a hunters, no Google, social media. Ubia so ma, no the wo apis, cassette and I did. A kind, the cassette gift yourself, Jana warrior, 1.5 years and sana will be who's were jawari, and so they be not in a ring. Was it for the sake of the mighty?
Now, what Jawari,
and for the sake of fairness and social media.
Are you being truthful?
Every time I know so, you know, or you are Ray and Sana or point at the end out. I will be also in the chrono. My die for the past 1.5 years. Because no person and seven and crophobe some no man can be to a canon yet. At home. It's a say was said you'll be as he handled the situation. I will fear. Dear, may be fear you never say what dear. And I dear was so fear you know. A best say me dear. It's a minute was sending what dear. Mamma, and I may can, a babuane, and I may come on to Mama, a bay okay. Dear, I am not choose. Now,
Anuntina areas, Anuntina Matabianam Honsum Guapontina. A month for handle woman some ye.
There be a handle in you. Over handing you, baby, I say, and now some young show subject to Macau and autumn. Be brain and four, a dear Macon so heavy dream. Because of trusting the panel, not trying to say, Pammy, our and near could see any. Shim, no, they sunny. All can on him so back can't conquer. So what I say, it's okay and all the corner. As I'm to be one of our careful, some me no crown will be at Manu asem. Obi so assumption so I just saw cat no ye free. Obi so to me keep. I will be honest said the idea would to me.
But I hear say, inti yen to me who say a drama ye any younger say personal life ni. Inti say ebia me my friend na sem radio friend Sister Ophelia. Sister Ophelia no last week me nyan inti yese oni wukun ebo atwede na de ne si ye
make out say BBNC
inti say oye ni say ya ebede na wasem na nya mileage
asem no na make say nipa no e dependi upon nipa na asem na to no
inti no na ni nyina na me busa besi say inti mo mu bi wo ho no ma mo hu sem egu abonte no eye because of muntimi manage mo asem ni yi inti ana
mistake think be intira
because minim say silama
free ya
minim say silama fo nanse ya Kennedy Japan kana asem bi until now wo meyi ano asem ni ka
sa
inti ye ni say wo fo say ebema wo bua ewo ho aise se nipa di bu no ye mfe ma wana
o say Bible say kwase akora kana no tuma ebu ni nyansani it is nipa aka wa no tuma obi na obete wasem se bi wakoto say e fa wo yere wo na bi epro no ho yo na aka tum na pii obe na akwa no kwa be fa wo yere
me twa to
na bu be twa to e wo wutiri mu ba to body de say eh nkro from me hwe de a and the sometimes won't be trying to one what now e dey about touches so because wa kra wo fere
okay
so say dey at the end
Matiasi
e tie wa kasa upie ya no na hu say hu ye na aka punu tum e na wo tirim na akọ ya wo fi so ba no ko betima be gina wani wo bo de ama ya sane and the be say say me the first person
ye nyina ye ko ni sa
sabatia but say ka ka wonu tum a e ka bi kro de nkotodwe na be begu fam se me wura me sere we de mani wu na so fa ye de fa chame
inti individual differences wo okay
sa
odi
yeah
ofo say dey pa na adwuntufo yi ye butima ye na society ba gi atum say adwuma ye yi ni ye kanyame asatwi e de twi dom ni akra e dey pa ni because minim say ano enwom to no de bebre wo ho ntwi dom ni akra emfa merade e ye for listening pleasure ofo say dey pa na ye betimi aye because o say hwehwe tete atempon kwan no ne fa so na wanye dey wanyera nti ofo say yen san ko back to Mama Esther more time no said your manager your out of media to say BBC and Edimika because me sure say Mama Esther even social media or BBC or social media no is it anything
Yesu Kristo ka sembi o se musu se media asumdue ne ba ya na ya asumdue na me ba se me pai mu na be sore tie ne na eja be sole tie na dija oba be sole tie na ja na asew so sole tie na se o sense yusu ka bi mo odwon o se wi ase tane mo a mo ma na nya mo won wa efi se me kura ye tane me kane ansa eti the moment ya woni Kristo eba benante no e so hu say e de ya wotan no be dey ebeba na wo kan bibi say Joseph ena me bla so kan bibi say wono no wontimi ma me ka bibi nkire tie ni ye Isaiah 61:7 wasi wani wo dan mu enimu na obeye nhira wani wo edam enimu na obeye nhira ebepi eti Joseph no de kafa no ho na nka eye ni wusam no mu enu ye no mu no ye nhira
no correct
so ene minim the way a nyame na mo so no minim kwan am fa so amotimi die ni mo nyame ni menyame according to the book of Proverbs chapter 25 verse 2 oso onyankopon na ni mo nyame ni asem so kata na mo musa mo se Christopher mutimi e kata nsem so ana mutimi die ni mo nyame nyame
hey na chese besan ho na unsa ho
o Christo ni bia mutimi keep secret is secret o Christo ni a mutimi keep secret bia no you are not a Christian e die ni mo nyana de menyame
because Bible says Nicodemusly echo Jesus Christ and I don't know. Oye boko because no company for no but oye boko koi.
That's it.
Enti enu me bi ho my secret so keep
secret. O Christo ni bia so timi keep secret. O Christo ni a wuntimi keep secret ni. Wonye Christo ni.
That's right.
And we tin a problem Matthew chapter 12 36 and 37 the catch was say ensem hunu bia be firi wonu aba na Awurade na wonu asem so ebebu pem na wonu asem so bebu fo. And the Christopher when you better with the huh? And then you to one any the day you only be and I chess out when you man you. And then I saw na matatino. I saw me problem is Simua. And when you say, Anka the good leaders no move fret in the secret. No more solving the because I said the buffer the pardon moi. I saw a baby.
I say.
And when you better with the menyami. Onyankopon ani wonyame ne asem so kata eto Kristo ni bia mafutu amede ma won say so so ni Kristo benante dia ene keep secret and secret woni wonyama waso de benyame na enkasa anyhow yenkasa ba Kristo fo yenkasa basa asem no beba o hawo ne beba o tan ne beba ya nanso we hia enhyeso wo dia ne se me mfa nto so ne mom hwe se wo ma ne nye ho wo dia no wo de me mfa Joseph yere to no so o kepu secret wo ye di eti na ni wo da ni mu no ene ni hira ni pie bae na se ko o yi so to yi ene wo ye gbe na ye anka minister no ko benya dia na
David
o de ni mo nyam ma Awurade ntira eti se na wo hawo mu wo so hwe mu amanie mu wotan mu de e kafa ahu ni nyina no se ka de ni manyam be manyame a ene wotan furu behu na tumi pa de wo mu timi wuda
because o hear Joseph story na adan say ndie no kre but asem na nkasa nye no kre but o kana no tu
that's it keep
because
secret
you try na tade e de a kire se mi ra tade na tade kre ni adan say ne de ye no kre